Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Gold Garden EA, also called the Golden Garden for MT4. This is a gold focused system that uses machine learning and price action analysis. So let's break down the claims. As you can see from the MKO5 page, the EA goes for 199 US dollars and is designed specifically for XAUUSD, the gold pair. It combines advanced machine learning slash neural network analysis of large historical data sets with price action movements analysis to predict potential gold price moves and execute trades. The developer emphasizes that it does not use martingale, grid, or averaging. Each trade is discretionary based on the system's data feedback and is protected by stop loss and take profits. A trading stop function is included to lock in profits if the market reverses. Risks can be managed either by a fixed lot size or by a risk percentage per trade function. They automatically adjust lot size as the account balance changes. The recommended time frame is M1 with a minimum capital around $500 and a preference for ECN raw spread accounts with tight spreads on gold. Alright, so the key features include machine learning plus price action analysis for gold, no martingale, grid, or averaging, fixed percentage of fixed loss options, fixed stop loss and take profits, trailing stop, easy plug and play parameters, and compatibility with any broker. Parameters allow users to set comments, risk percentage of fixed lots, profit target in points, stop loss in points, trailing activation distance, trailing distance, and magic number. The developer knows that the system is inherently higher risk than some of their other products and is not recommended for prop firm challenges because of the 1:1 risk reward structure. Alright, so we have some screenshots here on the website. Let's take a look. As you can see, um, the testing was done on XAUUSD, the gold pair, on the 30 minutes time frame from 2021 to 2024. And that was 1st of January 2021 to the 31st of December 2024. A period of 3 years, a period of 4 years rather. And for an initial deposit of $500, there was a total net profit over the period of $162,155. The profit factor was 1.39 and the drawdown was 23.60%. Okay, that's also reflected in the equity curve. You can see a long period of consolidation or rather flat movement, and then it kind of picks up as it headed towards the further right. And then you can see some nice gains with periods of volatility and drawdowns, but overall it kept on stringing upwards. Unfortunately, I couldn't carry out my own personal backtest on the EA as it wasn't available on the marketplace on my M4 account. So we only have what's here on the website to go on. So it's quite important to take that with a pinch of salt, as past performance isn't always indicative of future results. So machine learning approaches on gold can be powerful when they successfully identify recurring patterns, but they are also sensitive to regime changes. Gold is highly reactive to interest rates, inflation data, geopolitical events, and risk sentiment. So any model trained on historical data can struggle when the market behavior shifts. The absence of martingale or grid is a clear positive for risk transparency. Every trade has a defined stop. The risk percentage option is convenient for dynamic position sizing. However, the developer themselves acknowledge higher risks and a 1:1 risk to reward structure, which means the system needs a solid win rate to remain profitable after costs. In practice, M1 gold trading is noisy and highly dependent on broker spreads and execution quality. Even with machine learning filters, the equity curve can show periods of strong growth when the model is in alignment with the market, periods of drawdown when conditions change. Trailing stops help protect open profits but can also exit early in volatile moves. Honestly, the features that matter most are conservative risk percentage settings, a true low spread ECM broker for gold, and thorough testing across different gold market regimes. The machine learning plus price action combination aims for quality decisions, but no model is immune to gold's volatility. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, gold can gap and spike violently around news. M1 time frame amplifies the impact of spreads and slippage. Higher risk design and 1:1 RR require strong win rates. In practice, start with the lowest risk settings, use a quality gold broker, and evaluate performance over longer periods. Like I said, past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, the Gold Garden EA is a specialized gold system that combines machine learning with price action and avoids recovery methods. It offers flexible risk sizing and trading protection, but the developer's own higher risk warning should be taken seriously. Thorough demo testing and strict risk management are essential. Always trade the money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.